again, everyone. JaLingo's proverb of the week is pound of fret can't pay ounce of debt. This means a pound of fretting can't repay one's ounce of debt. Other meanings: worrying does not solve problems, or the time spent fretting could be more gainfully spent considering workable alternatives and solutions. Example: stop worry yourself and move on. Remember say a pound of fret can't pay an ounce of debt. This means stop worrying about the situation and try to move forward, or else you will make things worse. Related words: stress and fluster. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.